Hi guys, so time checks. Excuse my face mask kay galing na kami nag-eat ng chocolate. So anyways, time check, it's 7:07 and sorry hindi ako nakapag-vlog because of some circumstances, but andito ako sa SM Lanang and we are going to try sushi. I'm with Lark. Diba Lark, we are going to try sushi. So, we are not that fan of eating sushi. Feel ko lock dito. Ay open. So, yeah. Hi guys, so time check, it's 7:11. Wednesday, July 20, 2022. And nag-order kami ng sushi from Zen Sushi. Again, we are not that fan of eating sushi. So we are here to conquer our fears without money na. So we don't have money, so we are going to withdraw tomorrow. Kasi wala na kami pera. This is so sad. So, see you guys later! Bahay, kunin na natin yung sushi. Nag-distance ako sa kanya kasi ayaw niya talaga, but here it akala ko ayaw mo, but here it is. So bon appetit everyone. Oh my god, hindi alat ang idol ko si Lark si Ryan. So yeah, set tayo. Ano, wait lang.
Lame?
Yes. Okay, so as hindi ako mahilig kumain ng sushi, this is 7/10. Kasi 7 siya. Kasi na-convince niya ako na masarap ng sushi. Or let's try it naman with wasabi. I'm waiting for Lark kasi na-spill ko nga yung sauce. So yeah, kumuha siya. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong patutungan ng vlog na ito. Hindi ko alam saan ako mag-face. There. So, nagbuhat na siya ng sauce. I'm gonna close this one first. I think I'm gonna eat sushi. I'm going to eat sushi now. Huh? Okay. Keep like this. Wait lang. I'll need to tie my ano. Go. Let's go. Forda, go. Ano dyan siya? Go. Humnamin mo.
Wala.
Diba? It's not grow. Ano man?
Bakit ko ganap yun?
Okay naman na kay Japanese mayo. This is my second bite.
Wala.
Ayaw mo na? Okay, so I am the one.
At least natin ang nakatilaw.
Hey, congrats! Ako kaya nagustuhan ko siya. So, if you'll rate sushi, it would be
5
over
10.
5.
Tignan ko dito.
For me, it's 7 because I tasted sushi before sa Vikings and oh my god, hindi na ako marunong mag-chopstick.
Hibaw ka na to.
Kabalo ko mag-chopstick kayo. Hilig kayo o Japanese restaurant akong family kayo. Akong tita, nag-work siya sa Japan. So every time ulit siya mag-Japanese restaurant. Oh my God, dala may magbulgogi.
Biskot na ito. Tanan-tanan na lang yun.
Manghang siya, yawa. But it's all good. Trust me. For those ayaw talaga kumain ng sushi, this is your sign to eat one. Kasi for me, it's approved.
Hindi na out trip.
Hindi niya daw trip, so hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako. Ang lakas pa ng music. Ganun ko na-realize. Oh my God, hindi na pa ako salita. Anyways, see you on the next day. Maybe tomorrow. Hindi ko alam. Tomorrow, anong gawin natin?
Ano?
Tomorrow, mag-withdraw.
Go to school.
Then, no.
School nga.
Mag-withdraw kami. Then, mag-go kami to Palawan. Pawn shop.
Tapos,
Kasi mag-send kami ng money sa friend namin. Nandito lang sa Davao, pero anong gawin pumunta ng school?
malayo daw kasi.
Because we want to give some gifts to our seniors. So yeah, see you later or see you tomorrow. So bye for now! Hi guys! Hello everyone! So, time check, it's 11:40 a.m. It's July 21 na, so tomorrow is the graduation day of our kuyas and ates. And sa hapon would be our recognition. So, there's nothing special today. It's just, gumagawa lang ako ng hindi na gumagawa, nagpre-prepare lang ako ng envelopes for palangka, for the graduation. Ano kasi, the local council 11 here in the LPU, is gumawa kami ng yung parang letter for the grade 12 students, and ibigay namin siya sa graduation na lang, which is tomorrow. Yun nga. So, yeah. So, I bought. Oh my God. So, I bought Happy Meal. Hi.
3,000 na diyan naman. Hi.
So, there's Lark.
3,000 na naman. So,
Okay. So, I'll be... Just let her speak lang. I'll be unboxing.
Wow, galing.
I'll be unboxing the Minion. I don't know. Wait, a little background. I'm not that fan of Minions. Ewan ko, sudden lang siya na by the time na binilhan ako ni Lark ng Happy Meal, I was very, very happy by that. I don't know. So, yeah. Here's another one. It's the Happy Meal number 5. Hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko anong face niya. Oh, it's cutie! It is. Parang siyang si Bob the Wig. But, so, yeah, we're going to open it. Meron pa scissors here. Ang bobo. Oh, yeah. Here. Yeah. Here it is. So, hindi ko alam. Bakit siya may
awa ang instruction sa likod.
Shut up. Huwag ka good makulit, B. Nag-vlog ako ba? Ay, okay.
Diba? Hinig
Timik. Ay pala na makakaimo raman kung awayon.
Ako lang yun sa
Lagay niyo siya there. Ayun naman! Bobo. Wait lang. So, here. Sa kabila din. Yeah! So, ganyan siya! So,
Yeah.
hindi ko alam kung kita niyo. Ganyan siya. Boat, magod yan, no? Oh.
Nga, o masya wili-wili.
think I would be making another vlog for tomorrow's event for the recognition and graduation. So I guess see you later. See you later guys if may event ako. Bye-bye! The unboxing.
Happy Meal. So we're going to open it now. It's broken.
It's
Open
broken.
Okay, so we'll open. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so first, I don't want Bob anymore. Okay, mo nung kay Nicole. Wait, ew. Again, again. Again. So that's all for my video, guys.
Bye-bye.
I hope you like it. Like, comment, and share. And
Subscribe.
subscribe, of course. Push the
Notification bell.
button.
Bye! Bye!
Bye.
Pag ano, outro.